Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide formulas in Excel. Let's get started. Select the cells that contain the formulas you want to hide. Click and drag across those cells to highlight them. You'll see a border appear around your selection. Right-click on the selected cells and choose Format Cells from the context menu. The Format Cells dialog box opens. Click on the Protection tab. Check the Hidden checkbox. This marks the cells to hide their formulas. Click OK to close the dialog. The hidden property won't take effect until you protect the worksheet, so let's do that next. Click on the Review tab in the ribbon. Click the Protect Sheet button in the Protect group. The Protect Sheet dialog opens. The Protect Worksheet and Contents of Locked Cells checkbox is selected by default. Leave it as is. Below that is a password field. If you want password protection, type your password here and confirm it when prompted. If you don't need a password, leave it blank. Click OK to apply the protection. When you click on a cell containing a formula, the formula bar now shows only the result, not the formula itself. The worksheet is now protected and formulas are hidden. Here are a few things to keep in mind. The formulas still calculate and update normally. They're just hidden from view. To unhide them later, go to Review and click Unprotect Sheet, then enter your password if you set one. Remember that Excel's sheet protection works best for less technical users. Anyone with Excel knowledge can bypass it, so use this method for privacy rather than serious security.